Hi, today I'm gonna teach you how to add payment method in your Shopify store. Let's come to the screen. Here is the admin panel of Shopify. You have to click the setting options. In setting, you will find a payment option. Click this. Here we go. Here you will find different sections like payment providers, supported payment methods, manual payment methods, and payment capture. You have to go to set a payment provider. Click this choose a provider. Here we go. Here is the list of all payments provider available for Shopify. For my country, they are not available and only two checkout is available for my country. So I have to set up this payment gateway. Click this. You should have account at two checkout and you have to put here the merchant code and the secret code and then activate to checkout. Now at this point I'm going to attach a bogus gateway so that I can test the order on Shopify. Let's do it. Click here, activate. Now our bogus gateway, payment gateway has activated. Now you can easily place an order from Shopify. Let me do it. I'm going to a Cognito window and will paste my Shopify store link. I'm going to buy this product. Here we go. Add to cart. Checkout. Now you have to put the bogus card number, name, expiration date, and put some security code, bogus security code here. And now billing address. Now you will click the pay now button. Now your order has confirmed. You will receive an email from Shopify, or if you add the number then you will receive a message from Shopify. So let me see I have received this order or not. Here is it. So this is a way to add payment gateway in your Shopify store and to order from the Shopify. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.